Hello and welcome to the Planetary Health course, Green Skills for Nurses by the European Federation of Nurses Associations. This course consists of 9 lessons, each approximately taking 10 minutes to complete. After each lesson, there's a quiz and you need to answer 19% of the questions correctly to proceed to the next lesson. Additional resources, including readings, links to supplementary learning materials, and relevant organizations, are accessible in the additional reading resource material. The 9 lessons will start by providing an introduction to the European policy context of planetary health and what planetary health encompasses. It will then delve deeper into planetary health education and interdisciplinary collaboration. Additionally, it will offer practical ideas for integrating planetary health principles into your daily nursing practice. This includes empowering healthy lifestyles through nutrition and physical activity, offering guidance on environmental health risk, and preparing for crisis. Furthermore, we will explore quality assurance in the context of planetary health and examine the environmental impact of healthcare, including methods for analysis and reduction. Finally, we will address wider advocacy, cooperation, and communication concerning planetary health. This course aims to help you understand the relevance of planetary health for nursing, providing an overview of how the environment influences health and how healthcare in turn impacts the environment. It will equip you to assess and assure the quality of nursing care within the planetary health framework. You will also learn how to empower both patients and fellow healthcare professionals toward healthier lifestyle and self-care in a planetary context. For in-depth materials, you can click on the section called Read More on this book. Once again, welcome to the course, and let's begin with the first lesson on Planetary Health EU Policy Contest. The Be Well project is an Erasmus Plus 4-year EU project on green skills, in which the EFN is a key partner. Be Well aims to form an alliance to build a movement of healthcare stakeholders supporting and committed to the development, implementation, and upskilling of the strategy on upskilling and reskilling of the European health workforce. The ultimate project aim is to develop a green and digital skills strategy for the health ecosystem that can be implemented at local, regional, national, and ultimately at the European level through the Pact for Skills in the context of the Blueprint for Sectoral Cooperation on Skills. In 2016, the European Commission already expressed their interest in supporting the European workforce and presented a European skills agenda to tackle the skills challenges. One of the key initiatives of the 2016 skills agenda was the Blueprint for Sectoral Cooperation on Skills. Under the blueprint, key stakeholders within an industrial sector form an alliance to develop and implement strategies to address skills gaps in their sector at national and regional level. In 2020, building on the European Digital Strategy, the Industrial and Small and Medium Enterprise Strategy, the Recovery Plan for Europe, the Be Well support for youth employment, the European Green Deal, the European Pillar of Social Rights, and the lessons learned during the COVID-19 pandemic, the European Commission has developed a new European skills agenda. The first flagship activity under the 2020 European Skills Agenda is the development of sustainable cooperation and large-scale European partnership through the Pact for Skills to facilitate concrete actions toward the upskilling and reskilling of the European workforce in the key industrial ecosystems. The healthcare sector is still lagging behind when it comes to seizing green opportunities, and current healthcare professionals lack the necessary green skills. Therefore, it is important to focus on frontline nursing care and the green skills needed to reach better the healthcare outcomes. We suggest to focus on the 8 competencies of the Directive 55. By addressing the existing skill mismatches and strengthening these competencies, the project will enable frontline nurses to be better prepared for facing future challenges and for adapting to ever-evolving societal context. EFN focuses in the project on building comprehensive curricula and training programs that will target nursing students and frontline nurses, as they are the biggest workforce in the healthcare system in EU and Europe. It is key to improve the green skills of the nursing workforce by ensuring that these skills are included in the core content of initial education, as well as continuing professional development, reskilling and upskilling of the healthcare professionals. The EU Nurses Directive 55, Article 31, defines 8 core competencies that nurses must possess. Throughout this course, we will reference these core competencies, aligning planetary health skills with them to demonstrate how to incorporate this new knowledge into your daily practice. The competencies are: the first one, to independently diagnose the nursing care required using current theoretical and clinical knowledge and to plan, organize, and implement nursing care. The second one, to work together effectively with other actors in the healthcare sector, including participation in the practical training of health personnel. Third one, to empower individuals, families, and groups towards healthy lifestyles and self-care. The fourth one, to independently initiate life-preserving immediate measures and to carry out measures in crisis and disaster situations. The fifth one, to independently give advice to instruct and support persons needing care and their attachment figures. The sixth one, to independently assure the quality of and to evaluate nursing care. The seventh one, to comprehensively communicate professionally and to cooperate with members of other professions in the healthcare sector. And the last one, to analyze the care quality to improve his own professional practice as a nurse responsible for general care. According to you, nurses must have comprehensive knowledge of the sciences on which general nursing is based. This includes a sufficient understanding of the structure, physiological functions, and behavior of healthy and sick individuals, as well as the relationship between the state of health and the physical and social environment of humans. This course will help you gain this comprehensive knowledge within the context of planetary health, focusing on the relationship between health and the physical and social environment. You can find all 8 core competencies in the accompanying readings and the materials to refer back to throughout this course. Now, without further ado, thank you very much for joining this course. Let's begin with the first quiz and move on to lesson 2. We will delve into the planetary health science.